Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on and how to turn off enhanced notifications in Realme 14x phone. First, we need to go to our phone's settings. Next, in settings, we are looking for notification and quick settings menu. Then we need to scroll down and here we have more notifications menu. And here we have our options. So we are interested in enhanced notifications. What does it do? Get suggested actions, replies and more. Pretty vague, but we can enable this option right here and we can disable it using the same switch. It's a simple on and off switch. And that's all. We can now close our menu and go back to the home screen. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.